Look at that then. Well, I've spent 3 days cleaning it and now it's all done. But in 3 days there's dust all over the car again. But it's clean. It's done. Look at the engine. I've changed the oil filter, the air filter. I've charged the battery up 24 hours. I've cleaned the engine, filled the windscreen washer, filled the radiator reservoir, and just give it a general clean. It looks the business. Let's see if I can start it up now. So let's give it a go with a start. Fingers crossed. No, don't cross your fingers. Oh. The battery is empty. Or, because I've charged the battery. I've got a special battery charger that does that. Yeah, and I did 3 checks to make sure it was alright. And I've got no electric. I'll try the fuses. So I phoned a friend to see if Nigel can come round to give me a jump start. That might help. I need to get back under the bonnet again because I've still not checked over the fuses. I was always told start with a fuse, no matter what the problem is, whether it's electrical in the home or whether it's in a car. Start with a fuse.